Welcome to our FlyWP profile management tutorial. Ready to take control of your FlyWP profile. Today we are walking you through how to update your name, email, and password in just a few simple steps. No stress, we have got this. Let's dive in and make managing your profile a breeze. First, log in to your FlyWP account using your email and password. Now that you are in, head to the top right corner and click that nifty drop-down arrow. Select Profile. And you will see all your profile details, including where you can update your password. So, let's go. Now, looking to reinvent yourself with a brand new name? It's as simple as typing it in. If you are updating your email and name, just type the new one in and hit the Save button. It's done. Now, if you are here for a password change, we have got you covered. Just enter your current or old password in the first field. Then, type your shiny new password in the next two fields. Ready? Click Save, and you're done. Password updated like a boss. Now, if you want to keep your account extra secure, then let's set up two-factor authentication in just a few easy steps. Here you find the two-factor authentication option. Click Enable to turn on two-factor authentication and complete the process to activate it. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Now we are in the browser sessions. Here, you can manage and log out of your active sessions on other browsers and devices. If necessary, you may log out of all of your other browser sessions across all of your devices. Then, if you want to delete your account permanently, you can do this from here. Remember, once your account is deleted, all of its resources and data will be permanently deleted. So before deleting your account, please download the data or information that you wish to retain. And that's a wrap. You have officially learned how to update your name, email, and password on FlyWP. But don't forget to check your inbox or spam folder for that email verification if you updated your email. Keeping your profile info up to date makes everything smoother. Thanks for tuning in. Now go explore more FlyWP features and make the most out of your account. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more FlyWP tips and tricks. Happy team managing.